Today, we're going to be working on our frontal stepovers. Now, this is a relatively simple movement, but the goal is to help drive awareness towards our walking movement, otherwise known as our gait. So, what we're going to do is we're going to set an object, whether it's a water bottle, a can of wet wipes here, or just an imaginary object that we're going to step over. So we'll stand up to the object, take a step over, tap down with our heel, and bring our heel back. Foot over, tap with our heel, and bring our heel back. Again, the goal of this is to drive awareness and focus to our actual walking movement. So slow this down a little bit and actually pay attention to each step that you're taking, but not only that, also pay attention to our back foot that is staying on the floor and try to keep that as balanced as you can. You're going to notice when you try to slow this movement down, it actually becomes a lot harder for us to keep balance on our back leg, which is something that you can definitely work on if this movement gets too easy. So that is our frontal step over.